too early. Hello. It's very early, but I'm gonna make a video anyway because I haven't made one in like 2 weeks. So, hello. It is Dom from #Beardlife, and today I'm gonna be showing you my. The hell was I gonna show you? My beard oil and beard balms. That's right. So they are right here. So I'm just gonna show you everything I have in here right now. It's not everything. I have some more upstairs in my room, but I don't feel like going to get that right now. So, okay. So right here I have, boom, Valkyrie's Ode. Come on, focus. It's not focusing. Focus. Okay, it says Valkyrie's Ode Day Beard Oil and Valkyrie's Ode Night Beard Oil, because Valkyrie's Ode smells amazing. So it's the morning. It's probably about, I don't know, 6:30, 7 o'clock. And then I have 2 beard balms right here. This one is another Valkyrie's Ode Gentleman's Scruff Balm. Why is that not focusing? Come on, you're killing me, Smalls. Okay, well, it says Gentleman's Scruff Balm. And then another Valkyrie's Ode. I know, it's bad. I have all Valkyrie's Ode, but it's... Sorry, I forgot what that said for a minute. Gentleman's Beard Balm. So, right now, I'm gonna be doing, since obviously it is the morning, come on, I'm gonna be doing this one, the Day Beard Oil. So I obviously have facial hair, but it's not completely, you know, like the Kratos shit. So I'm not gonna use a ton. I will show you. Okay, that was a fail. Come on. Don't tell me I'm running low, no. Okay, I'm gonna have to order more soon, but it's about that much. That's what I use. And then I use the majority of that. So use about that. So so it looks like about that in my hand. Ow! Alright, so rub it together on my hands and make sure I get it all over my hands, so I can just get it all over. Make sure I get on my mustache, under here, all over. Make sure I rub it in nice and good. All that good stuff. Now, my face is smelling good for the rest of the day. And it really does. Like, it's not even an exaggeration. Like, it really does smell good for the rest of the day. And when I put on the night oil, then I smell good for the whole night. So, yeah, this one is Valkyrie's Ode Beard Oil. It smells great. Now we will do this one. It's the just a regular Gentleman's Beard Balm. So I don't need too much of this either, at least for me, because, you know, like I said, I'm not, you know, I don't have a ton of beard on me yet. That went under my fingernail. That's gonna bug me. Okay, but yep, this is what it looks like. So okay, it's obviously not gonna work with that finger. Okay, so I just run my finger across it like that. I need a little bit more than that. Come on. And that should be good. So I get about that much on my finger, then I just, god damn it, put it on my palm, Then I slap that shit together, rub it together, boom, looks the same as my beard oil, and then rub it all in. Make sure you, again, get it in real good. Yeah. All right. Sorry, I don't mean to keep making this. Yeah. All right. Now, what's that? So I'm all up on the camera. I got a notification. All right. Xbox. Okay. Now I'm probably not going to use this one right now, but it's I'll show you. It looks identical to the other one. It's just this. I do the same thing. I get about the same amount. Put it on my finger. You know, get on my finger. Get it all over. So after that, I have this. It's a brush, obviously. So I just get it, brush down after messing up all that facial hair. Make sure you get it all, make it look better. Maybe give about two passes, you know. Just to make sure that it looks all right. So, all right, and boom, there we go. You know, it kind of feels weird actually having a morning routine after all these years of not having a routine. But yeah, that is it for my oils and balms. Next time I will show you my, God, my back itches. I will show you, what the hell was I gonna show? I had a whole video planned for next time. The beard mask, that's what it was. That is right here. This one, Valkyrie's Ode beard mask. Or no, Valkyrie's Viking Sea. Sorry, that's what it is. Viking Sea beard mask. All right. So that will be for next time. I'm not going to show you what it is, no, what it looks like until the actual video. And yeah, I still have a little bit. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I still have a little bit on my hands because it's oil. And yeah, it's gonna stay. So I either just, you know, let it on me to, you know, give a little, help me smell a little better, or I just wash my hands and get it off. But yeah, that is it. So that stuff, the beard mask, this brush, and I have two more things. Boom. I have Valkyrie's Ode beard wash and Asgardian. This one is actually fairly new. The product, not just to, like, arrived to me. It's called Asgardian Secret Beard Conditioner. This one smells very good. I actually might stick with this next time, just because I have a bunch of Valkyrie's Ode. It seems like it's an obsession, so I want to change that up. But and then I have a I'll show it next time. I have a heated brush. I haven't actually used it yet because my facial hair isn't long enough and I don't want to burn the hell out of my skin. So yeah, all right, well, that is it for this. So thank you for watching, and I shall catch you in the next video. See you next time. What's up, everyone? Dom from the future here. I forgot to mention that this is not a sponsored video, but all those products are from the Beard Struggle. And which I am part of their brand Viking program. So if you ever want to check out their products, I will leave my link in the description and you can go check them out because it's definitely worth it. So yeah, that's all. See you next time.